Out here again, fishing with Noah. Came over here to Palos Verdes. Second time over here. First time skunked, but we're gonna figure this out. Trying to target some rockfish, opaleye, and whatever else bites. Beautiful view, beautiful day. Last week we had some terrible swells, which left 2 fishermen, I believe, dead, and they found like some limbs on this trail. But today it's a real smooth day. The tide is going down, the swell is not bad, and we'll have access to some tide pools and rocks that we could fish on, so the water won't be too rough. Clear day. So let's see what today brings us. Look at all that kelp. All kinds of calico up in there. Just made it down the hill. Walking over to the tide pools. All right, we found a little nice spot on this rocky beach. Got a high-low rig and 2 pieces of shrimp on, and see what we catch. Took my bait, first cast. So let's try again. They keep taking the bait off my little hook off the top, but this time they won't get away. I think he took my bait again. Come on. Oh, no. I think I lost him again. Nibbling. Got him. Got him. Got him, Noah. Yeah. Come on, don't lose it. No. I lost it in the kelp. Hold on. No. Swim out. Please. Got him. I got him. Oh. No. Oh, got him. Woo. A kelp greenling? Yeah, I think it's a kelp greenling. Woo! First one. He was on there. I told you they out there. Can we keep these? I don't even know if these taste good. I think this is a kelp fish, kelp greenling. He looks just like kelp. It's nice size. How big is he? Let's see. Barely got him. Just got him off. Let's see how big he is. It's a little past 9 inches, about 10 inches on him. First one of the day. Don't send him back. New piece of shrimp on. Go ahead and hook it on there real good. Damn. I'm gonna try right here in between these 2 rocks. Yeah? I think Noah got one. You got him? Let's go. Get him in, get him in, get him in. Get him in, get him in. Hurry up and get him in. What do you got? Nice. Oh, yeah. Is that an opaleye? Is that an opaleye? Yeah. This, in fact, was not an opaleye. It was a buttermouth perch. I just was excited to catch an opaleye. Oh, yeah. Show the camera. Nice. Beautiful. Send him. I think I got him. Maybe it's kelp. I don't know. We'll see. Doesn't feel like anything's fighting. Oh, another kelp greenling. Noah. Noah. Yeah, I got one. Nice little kelp greenling, small guy. Go ahead and get him off. Tide got really low. We're going to relocate to a spot where we can get further out into the water. So we're gonna try to go to that point over there. Swell's not too bad right now. Tide is low, so it shouldn't be too bad over there. All right, we're in a real tricky spot right now. Double dropper loop, casting out shrimp. Let's see. So we're gonna wrap it up. This point right here is getting a little sketchy because the tide, it was low. If it wasn't negative, now it's starting to come up just a little bit. So it's gonna get even more sketchier, and we're gonna get going before we get trapped down here. We rock climbing. Ooh. Whoo. It's tricky out there. And that's it. After that sketchy spot, we came out with a total of 3 fish today, 2 kelp greenling and a opaleye. Regardless of not having luck at the last spot, we caught 2 new species that we never caught before, so I think that's dope. We'll be back. We just getting better at this spot, so go on.